What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to use the Icon List widget from your Elementor WordPress plugin, all into the free version. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to our WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with your login credentials, okay? After, go to plugins, hit the add new button, go to popular tab and find Elementor. Click on install and activate, okay? Mine is already active, but if not, you're gonna be able to see a button called install now, okay? Then go to our page. You can go to add new or go to a previously made page in the case that you have Elementor already, and click into this button, this blue button, edit with Elementor. This is gonna load you the Elementor editor page, okay? Wait while the front end editor loads, and then click into this plus button, drag widgets right here. Let's select Flexbox and change for 2 columns, okay? Now go to the plus button into the upper left corner of your screen next to the Elementor icon and search for list, L-A-S-T, just like this. Let me just delete it. Click on the widget, drag it, and drop wherever you want. I'm gonna drop one right here, and another one right here, one per column, okay? Then click into the list, and you're gonna be able to see the layout options. You can change the layout style from vertical to horizontal, okay? Inline or the full. You can change the title. You can change the icon. You can change the link, in the case that you want to add a link. It's fully possible. Or even make it open into a new window, make it do follow, no follow. In the case that you want a new item, you can clone, just like this. And as well, you can add an item, okay? Just like this. You can make it full width or inline, up to you, okay? Then you can change style, the space between the items, the alignment. You can apply some divider in the case that you want. You can change the icon colors if you want to, the size of the icon, the gap between the icon and the list, the horizontal alignment of the icons, vertical alignment of the icons, and adjust the vertical position, okay? Up to you. And same for the text, okay? And you can even change the typography in the case that you want, sending fonts and other things, okay? After, you can customize the advanced and you can customize the other column, okay? In the case that you want, you can click with the right button of your mouse over this list icons, copy, click into the other column and paste it, okay? To have things like this. And that is. Don't forget to check how your list gonna looks like on mobile, on tablet, on desktop, and hit the publish per pink button into the upper right corner of your screen to save your changes. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.